What's up everybody, Ebrahim Mbokazi here, back with another educational video. You know the vibes. Like, subscribe, and make sure that you click that notification bell. This is going to be a very quick update on LUNO. So LUNO have updated their tokens. They just have listed a new token. So if you want to guess what's that token, go ahead and guess in the comments. Let me get a drum roll. So the new token that LUNO have just listed is Cardano. I've been waiting for this token for a very long time. As you know, Cardano is a very promising and one of the most successful upcoming blockchains. Basically, it's already working and it's still in its progressive phase. Now, if you want to add this token, you can go ahead and log onto your LUNO wallet and go ahead onto wallets and then click on build a portfolio. Once you are on build a portfolio, it will show you over here, choose an investment, click right there. And then you have this Cardano option, so you can just go ahead and click on new and then click on create wallet. Once you have clicked on create wallet, as you can see over here, you do not have any pending or past transaction yet. So what you could do, you could either buy Cardano. If you want to buy Cardano, you can just go ahead and click on buy, do a once off or do a repeat buy. So that's how easy you can add your Cardano token to your LUNO wallet. And as you can see, we have it right here at the bottom. You should also know that LUNO has another update, which is invest in multiple coins. You're not investing in one particular coin, but you are investing in a basket of tokens. As you can see over here, Luna most popular coins. So basically, if you buy this right here, you will be buying Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Ripple if you're buying into this. But if you want to go ahead and buy a piece of everything, you can go ahead and buy into this. That means you are buying into these top 9 tokens right here. Diversified portfolio by investing an equal amount in all of these coins. We offer one simple purchase and reduced fees of 1.75%. So if you buy this basket right here, you will be investing in all these different tokens. So you can go ahead and check that out. Now, bear in mind, anything that I say in this video is not financial advice. Please make sure that you do your own research before investing into cryptocurrency. Go ahead and check that out. Make sure that you use my link in the description to sign up to LUNO if you do not have a LUNO account. And if you want to learn more about investing into cryptocurrency, how to become a profitable trader, or just how to become an investor, or even if you don't understand what's Bitcoin and you want to get into cryptocurrency, go ahead and check out Crypto University. Link will be the first one in the description. We have many courses. We have investing courses, we have trading courses. Depending on what you want to get into, you can go ahead and check up as to which course you want to get into. It's a very cheap and it's very reasonable. Or you can go ahead and buy this all-in-one masterclass, whereby you get the NFT course, you get the Bitcoin basic course, you also get the investing course, and you get the trading mastery course. And for those who are already trading and want to take the trading to a next level, you can go ahead and purchase the Nitrous Bull Indicator. This is one of the best indicators when it comes to trading, especially if you are a technical trader. I use it all the time in my trading. Or you can go ahead and check out this package right here of the trading indicators. These are the trading indicators ultimate package. It was $700, but now it is $500. And I will also leave a discount code for you guys if you want to purchase it and get $100 off when you purchase the ultimate trading package. If you purchase the ultimate indicators package, you will receive $100 off worth that. That means it's only going to cost you like $400. So go ahead and check out Crypto University. Link will be in the description. Thank you for sticking around until the end of the video. It's your boy Ebrahim Mbokazi, and I will see you on the next one.